Sadly, in the communities we serve, and we serve primarily underserved communities, I call them healthcare deserts. And so we go into these areas where they're primarily underserved. Not only do they need healthcare, there's other social services that are necessary that they need help with, that could be helped and coordinated. Luckily, within many of the health plan benefits, there are service opportunities. And so we will coordinate with the patient's health plan or with area community services like the Florida Council on Aging. And so there are a number of other social services that are not directly tied to healthcare, but indirectly help the patient. And so we do coordinate those. And we have case managers here at CAC, as well as some social services help. And so we will spend that time necessary because we, again, view it very holistically. So if we're only taking care of your diabetes, but we're not taking care of the other issues that are impacting it, it's not really helping, right? So the net impact isn't favorable. So we have to really approach it holistically.